Hey, Swati here. Welcome back to Python, Zero to Expert. You can write working Python now. Today we make it read like Python, the small idioms that separate a beginner from someone who clearly knows the language. Module 6, and this one is all about polish. We take code that already works and make it read the way a Python developer would write it. These are small habits that make a big difference, and once you pick them up, you'll start spotting them everywhere. 4 idioms today. Comprehensions instead of manual loops. Enumerate and zip instead of counting by hand. F strings for text. And EAFP, a very Python way of handling the unexpected. First, comprehensions. Building a new list with a loop is fine, but Python folds it into one readable line. For each x in XS, transform it. Read it left to right. It almost says itself. And here's how to never forget the order. It's honestly just SQL. SQL, the expression comes first, like a select. Then, the for loop is your from, and the filter at the end is the where. Same 3 pieces, in the same order you already know.
Oh, and one gotcha from me, Ryan. An if at the end filters things out, like a where, but an if else up front changes the value instead, more like a case.
Great point, Ryan. Same list of numbers. Watch what changes. The first one puts the if at the end, so it keeps only the positives. The 2 negatives just vanish, and we get 5 and 3. That's the filter. A where clause. The second puts an if-else up front, so it keeps all 4 numbers, but turns each negative into a 0. We get 0, 5, 0, 3. That one changes the values instead of dropping them, like a case statement. So an if at the end filters things out, and an if up front keeps them all and just changes the values. Next, if you ever find yourself doing for I in range of length, stop. When you want both the position and the item, use enumerate. It hands you the index and the value together, cleanly. Got 2 lists that line up, names and scores? Zip walks them together, pairing them up. And notice the F string. The F before the quote lets you drop values right into the text, inside the braces. No clumsy plus signs. And this one's a mindset, EAFP. Easier to ask forgiveness than permission. Instead of carefully checking first, just try the thing and catch the problem if it happens. It's often cleaner, and it avoids a whole class of race conditions. Sarah here. Watch the idioms team up. A comprehension builds a greeting for each name. Join stitches them together with commas, and F strings fill in the text. 1 line, and it reads like a sentence. That's Pythonic. And that's Pythonic Code. Comprehensions, enumerate, zip, F strings, and EAFP. Small moves, big difference. Next time, objects and classes where we bundle data and behavior together. I'm Swati. This is Codecraft. See you there.